Now, our motto, we are focused on, first of all, read the question. According to question, that is dot given like this. Okay. Our motto, we are focused on V of AB and I. Okay. V of AB, relation between V of AB and I. Okay. Means supply voltage and load current. Okay, that is load current simply. So this one lead or this one lead or which one lag or whatever we. Okay, so first of all, go to the basic fundamental. I know that is dot. Okay, we have assumed turn ratio, that is 1:n. 1:n. Okay, I know that corresponding to dot sign convention, V of CD divided by V of AB is written as, both polarity are different, that's why turn ratio is negative, n divided by 1. N divided by 1 means V of CD is written as minus n into V of AB, or you can say that, clear? Simple. Equation number 1. Next target, that is inductance, or you can say Jx. What about I? If written I means V of CD divided by Jx. Okay, so I is written as V of CD. What about V of CD? That is minus n V of AB divided by Jx. Okay, and that is J square n V of AB divided by Jx. Clear? So that is J into n V of AB divided by x, that is I. This is equal to J n V of AB divided by x. Clear? Now, how can make? You can also written as J V of AB into n divided by capital X. Now, if you make V of AB like this one, that is V of AB, that is V at the angle 0, then what about J V of AB? J V of AB is J V of AB into n divided by capital X. This one is capital I. I lead, that is I lead V of AB by how much angle? 90 degree. Clear? First of all, make it clear. That is, first of all, make like this one. I know that minus 1 is J square. That's why J square divided by that's why J square by J. So finally J V of AB. Okay, so I lead V of AB by how much angle? 90 degree. So which option is correct? B or C or D, whatever. C option, I think B, maybe B. B is the correct option, whatever be the. Okay, now case second. If dot polarity, suppose that this one is minus JXC, capacitor, pure capacitance. In this case, what the relation between I and V of AB? Okay, clear? First of all, so now dot is same, that's why relation between V of CD and V of AB is correct. Now what about I? This is another question, that's why written case second. V of CD divided by minus JXC. V of CD is minus n V of AB divided by minus JXC. Okay, so n V of AB divided by JXC, it is written as minus J V of AB into n divided by XC, that is I. Okay, so if you make V of AB like this one, V of AB this equal to V at the angle 0. Then what about minus J into minus J V of AB? Make like this one. Okay, that is 90 into N divided by XC, that is represent current. So I lags V of AB by how much angle? 90 degree. Clear? So this is the correct option. Make it. Okay, after that we have considered another case. Suppose that in this case this one is the resistance R, pure resistance. Okay, that is case third. Now in this case, I this equal to CD divided by R. What about CD? That is minus N V of AB divided by R. Okay, simply I, if V of AB like this one, then I represent here 180 degree. It means I lead V of AB by how much angle? 90 degree. Sorry, 180 degree. Clear? Make it. Now, if both polarity are same, case number 4 means relation between V of CD divided V of AB is like this one. Now in this case I this equal to written as N V of AB divided by R. It means if V of AB like this one, and then what about I? Same phase. Okay, if V of AB this is equal to V at the angle 0, then I is also written as I at the angle 0. Both are same phase. Okay, now if this one is inductance JX, pure inductance, that is case 5. Now in this case, that is JXC, JXL or JX, only simple. Okay, so I is written as N V of AB divided by JX. Now this one N divided by X, that is minus J V of AB. Okay, if means V of AB if represent here, then minus J V of AB into N divided by X, that is I. It means 90 degree. I lag V of AB by how much angle? 90 degree. Make it. Okay, now case 6. If you consider this one is a capacitor, first of clear, if this one is a capacitor, that is JXC, in this case minus JXC, that is minus XC, and finally this one. Now in this case I this equal to J V of AB into N divided by X. So if V of AB like this one, then J V of AB into N divided by X, this one is 90 degree, that is I. So I lead V of AB by how much angle? 90 degree. This is the final answer. Make it. There are six possibility. Okay, make it.